Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going to break down one of the most powerful tools on the entire internet, WordPress. So, let's start with a question I bet a lot of you have asked yourselves. You've got this great idea, right? A blog, maybe a business, or just a place to show off your work. But then you think about actually building the website, and it just seems so complicated, so overwhelming. Well, that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. Okay, to really get a sense of how big this is, check out this number, 40%. That means over 40% of all websites on the internet run on WordPress. Just let that sink in for a second. Nearly half the websites you visit every single day, from the smallest personal blog to the biggest news outlets, they're all powered by this one thing. And a big reason why is that it's open source. It's built by this huge global community of people, which means it's always getting better, always evolving. So how does it do all that? How does it power so much of the web? Well, at its heart, WordPress is something called a content management system, or CMS for short. Now that sounds technical, but it's really not. It's basically just software that lets you create, manage, and change your website's content without needing to know a single line of code. Think of it like a control panel for your website. And you know what? The best way to really understand this is to think of it like building a house. Seriously, we're going to use this analogy to walk through how it all works, turning this kind of techie topic into something super simple. So let's get our hard hats on and start at the beginning. First things first, laying the foundation. Every single house needs a piece of land and a strong foundation, right? Well, your website is exactly the same. This is the first, most crucial choice you'll make. And you've basically got two main options here. On one side, you have WordPress.org. Think of this as buying your own land. You own it. You have total creative control to build whatever you want, no questions asked. It's powerful. On the other side, you've got WordPress.com. This is more like renting a fully furnished apartment. It's way easier and faster to get set up for sure, but it comes with more rules. You can't just knock down a wall whenever you feel like it. So let's say you go for total ownership with WordPress.org. The very first thing you need is that plot of land, right? In the online world, we call that web hosting. You get it from a provider, and it's basically the little corner of the internet where all your website's files are going to live so people can actually visit it. All right, foundations poured. Now we get to the really fun part, designing the place. We're talking about building the walls, picking the paint colors, and installing all the appliances that make a house a home. In WordPress, the architecture and interior design, that's your theme. A theme controls the entire look of your website. It's the blueprint, the layout, the style, the whole shebang. And you've got thousands of these architectural styles to choose from. Some, like Astra, are kind of like getting a beautiful pre-designed model home. They're lightweight, fast, and great for businesses. Others, like the Hello theme, are more like a blank canvas. They're built for people who want to design everything from scratch, usually with cool tools called page builders. Okay, so you've got a great-looking house. But what about, the stuff that actually makes it work? The appliances and utilities. How do you add those? Well, in WordPress, you do that with plugins. Need an online store? Bam! You install the WooCommerce plugin. That's like installing a full commercial kitchen. Want to make sure people can find you on Google? You grab Yoast SEO. That's your mailbox and your address on the map. Worried about hackers? WordFence is your home security system. Need a way for people to contact you? WP Forms is your doorbell. It's incredible. There's a plugin for just about anything you can think of. So let's recap. We have our foundation, we have our design, and we have all the functionality we need. So, what can you actually build with all this stuff? And this is really the magic of it. You're not limited to one type of house. Not at all. With WordPress, you can build anything from a cozy little cottage, like a personal blog, all the way up to a massive shopping mall, which would be your e-commerce store. You can build a corporate office, a university campus, an exclusive club. The possibilities are pretty much endless. And just in case you think this is only for small-time projects, get this. Huge sites like TechCrunch, the official website for the country of Sweden, and even the Harvard blogs, they're all built using this exact same WordPress blueprint. That's how powerful and scalable it is. Okay, so you get the picture. You see the parts, you see the potential. But what's the reality of being a homeowner here? Let's talk about the responsibilities and how you can get the keys to your own place. Look, when you build your own place with WordPress.org, that freedom comes with some responsibilities. Just like owning a house, right? You got to do a little maintenance, keep your software updated. You absolutely need to lock your doors with strong passwords. And remember, while all those plugins are cool, adding too many can clutter the place up and slow everything down. So how does this stack up against the neighbors? Other website builders like Wix or Shopify? Well, this is where WordPress really stands out. While some others might seem a little easier right at the very start, nothing comes close to its flexibility and customization. And a lot of the time, it ends up being way cheaper in the long run. And remember that feeling from the beginning that it all seems too complicated? Well, it kind of melts away when you break it down into simple steps. First, you get your address, that's your domain name. Then you buy your land, your web hosting. You lay the foundation by installing WordPress. You pick your architecture, the theme. Install your appliances, the plugins. And then, finally, you furnish the place and open the doors by adding your content. See? It's a step-by-step process. So, at the end of the day, WordPress isn't just some software. It's a complete toolkit. It's a blueprint for building basically anything you can dream up on the web. It literally puts the power to create right in your hands. So the real question isn't how anymore, it's what will you build?